Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing a mascara that I have been just so excited to try out. Last time I went to Sephora, it was either this mascara or the Hourglass, but the Sephora employee recommended me the Hourglass one, so that's what I went with. Didn't really like it. It was a super wet formula, and I've heard a lot of good things about the Kush Mascara by Milk. The back of the box there's like a before and after, and those are literally like the most perfect looking mascara, like eyelashes. But I'm going to be comparing the Kush Mascara by Milk with the Worth the Hype by NYX. Now this mascara is super inexpensive and super amazing. This mascara is on the pricier side. I saw their bristles and they're kind of similar, so if this mascara is better than this one, it's a steal. I'm gonna give you some info about the Kush Mascara. This mascara retails for $24 at Sephora. This is the packaging. Super sleek and super cute. This is how it looks like. Really big and heavy. It feels like high quality. This is a NYX Worth the Hype. A lot of people have seen this one, and the bristles on here. Let's give you guys a close-up. This is the NYX. Their bristles are kind of similar, except for the Milk one, the bristle is a little bit on the fatter side. It's wider. Looking at them like side to side, they're pretty similar. Yeah, they're pretty similar, so that's why I wanted to try them out. So like I was saying, it retails for $24. The color is Black is Black. They also have a mini one, so if you didn't want to splurge and get the big one that's $24, you can get the little one for $12. It claims that it's a high volume mascara with nourishing cannabis oil, thickening heart-shaped fibers and pure pigments for a clump-free intense black finish. It's without parabens, sulfates, and it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free for you gluten intolerant people and vegan people like myself. That's also another thing that attracts me to like the Milk brand, is that it's cruelty-free and vegan, and those things just scream buy me. And it says that in research results, it's 25 people saw high volume, 25 people saw thicker, longer lashes, 90 saw thicker lashes, and 90 people saw lifted lashes. 21 women. So I just spit, I'm sorry. Let's start this. All right. So on the side of my mole, I'm going to be using the Milk mascara, and the side without my mole, I'm going to be using the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. Yeah, I'm just doing like I'm just coating this key. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, so I don't confuse myself, because I would confuse myself. So mole has the Milk mascara, and then without the mole side, I have Worth the Hype by NYX. Oh my god, I got it in my contact. All right, so this side is done with. Oh, I should try the lower lashes also, because like I'm always in the market for a good lower lash mascara, because at the moment my favorite one, I do use the Worth the Hype one on my lower lash. So sorry that you guys can't see this right now. Yeah, I really like this mascara. It does make your lashes look super long. Like, look, it's pretty crazy. The next mascara we're gonna try is the Worth the Hype mascara. This is by NYX. So the Worth the Hype mascara is $7.99 on the Ulta website. So it's way cheaper than even the sample version of the Milk Kush Mascara, and way cheaper than the full sized. And this one, the details say, if you want fuller, longer reaching lashes, then the NYX Professional Makeup Worth the Hype Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara is your jam. Yes, super freaking long. Effortless to apply and comfortable to wear, this buildable formula actually does what it promises, making it worth the hype in every which way. It also features a brush that tapers at the tip, so you can brush, build, and lengthen even at the littlest baby lashes at the inner corners of your eyes. So it doesn't really say anything else. It has 4 stars, so let's try it out on the side without the mole. All right, now let's see which ones look better. All right, so the side with my mole is the side that I have the Milk mascara. So this is the side. I'm gonna look up for you guys. Now I'm gonna look for like myself and see. On the side with the mole, I see a little bit more lengthening. To be honest, they kind of look the same. Not even kidding. Like, if I went up to someone and I started talking to them, they would kind of think like they wouldn't know a difference. They kind of look the same, except a little bit of a difference is that the NYX mascara is a little bit drier than the Milk. The Milk mascara is a little bit more wetter formula, not as wet, but has a little bit of wetness. It's not completely dry. Like, I would say if you like really dry mascaras, which some people do like because they don't like the smearing and stuff, I would go with Worth the Hype because it is a way drier formula. And then the Milk mascara, it is a little wetter. I do feel like the Milk mascara is blacker than the NYX in some way. I just feel like it's blacker, but honestly, they kind of work the same. Even in the lower lash and in the top lash, like, I don't see much of a difference at all. If I were to recommend one, I don't know, because they literally act the same. They're like literally the same. I like the Milk mascara. I'm not gonna return it. I do like it. It does lengthen my eyelashes, but it does act like the NYX Worth the Hype. So it really depends on you. If you want to spend $24 on a mascara, go ahead, spend your money. But if you want a mascara that acts similar to it but is cheaper, I would go with the NYX Worth the Hype. It is way cheaper and it acts the same. You may have to buy a couple because it does run out kind of quickly. I feel like this one will last you a while and it's blacker. Really personal preference. I do sometimes like the finer things in life. I will keep this around, but I will not throw my NYX Worth the Hype to the side. I will still use that one. And yeah, I didn't know they were going to be exactly the same, the heads on the mascaras look the same, so I was like, maybe. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Tell me if you guys want more reviews, because I will be happy to make them. Also, I just bought the Hourglass translucent powder, which I'm wearing on my face right now, so if I look glowy, it's because of that powder, and I really like that powder also. I just got it. I literally got it the same day I got this mascara. So I hope you guys enjoy this review. I hope you guys try both, or it really just depends on you, because literally, like, they're literally the same. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hearing my annoying voice, because I really think I have a really annoying voice. Thank you, thank you, thank you.